This took less than an hour. Well, no, I'm not going to say less than an hour. Let's say 2.5 hours, because it took like an hour and a half for my daughter to braid my hair on last Sunday, and it took me an hour to install this today. I used 4 packs in total, 3 purple and 1 #1 black. I tried to do the invisibles up in this area here. And a lot of people say that these are heavy. They're not heavy at all. Not one bit. Compared to what I had in my head, which were the ones that were by Beauty Can Braid. I did save them and wash them and put them away for another time. But these are marvelous.